We are back here at Knott's Berry Farm. We're gonna showcase to you guys our top fastest attractions here at Knott's Berry Farm. For the first timers, let's get this list started. Let's go. To start this list off right, it's Supreme Scream. That's right, when you start hearing screams from all the way into the parking lot, it's Supreme Scream. This attraction's top speed is a gravity-defying 50 miles per hour. Holy cow. And it's a record-breaking 250-foot straight drop. What? Don't worry, it's not the mega drop you have to worry about. This thing actually bounces back and forth until it actually reaches its destination. Now, is this the fastest? Not quite, but it is the most terrifying if you don't like heights. Here is Silver Bullet. This is a crazy 2-minute attraction taking riders through 3,125 feet. After ascending 146 feet, riders are then sent down a 109-foot drop through 6 inversions. You are pretty much, your legs are dangling, your body's kind of in the very front. Enjoy the sights of Knott's Berry Farm. This attraction is known as a line eater and usually runs on 2 cars sometimes. Riders do actually rope drop this attraction, so make sure plan your day on busy days because it gets very busy. Remember when I said 109-foot drop? Well, they have a 105-foot loop, 2 corkscrews, a 0G roll, a helix, and the most famous here at Knott's Berry Farm is a Cobra roll. Now, is Silver Bullet the fastest? Not quite. Its top speed is 55 miles per hour. Number 3 on the list is the longest, fastest, tallest wooden roller coaster in the West Coast. It's Ghost Rider. It has top charts since 1998. Disneyland must have been jealous when they saw Ghost Rider because when you think about Indiana Jones and that minecart, if you know, you know. It actually has 14 hills and 1,400 feet of track, dude. It is the largest attraction here at Knott's Berry Farm. Is it the most popular? Of course. It can range up to 15 minutes, up to 300 minutes for the wait times. But is this the fastest? Not quite, but it does go over some twisting lumber, over 56 miles per hour. But you know what? There is some others that are faster. This is the first dive coaster in California. Ever wanted to just overlook all of the boardwalk reaching upwards of 15 stories before diving a 96-degree drop? You don't just drop. Like surfers, you gotta find the right wave, and once you do, you ride it. That's right, dude. Right when that thing dives straight down, you feel like you're catching the next big wave. A lot of times it is described as a disappearing track when you hang there on a 60-degree angle. This top speed is 57 miles per hour through 2,100 feet of steel. Let's not forget the 5 inversions, the negative G stall loop, the Melman, a corkscrew, a cutback, and of course, a Cobra roll. It's Xcelerator, the largest and biggest drop here in Knott's Berry Farm for coasters. Race down the track on a high-octane flame decal 57 Chevy going 0 to 82 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds. Great Scott. Man, it's like you rolling down there almost like a DeLorean. Oh, sorry. Whoa. Wrong part. But yes, this is an exhilarating, get it? Exhilarating 92 seconds of your life. At its best days, yes, this could be the fastest, but it's the slowest in undergoing maintenance. There it is right there, guys. The top 5 fastest roller coasters here at Knott's Berry Farm. Which one is actually your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. But if you haven't just about yet, and you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video and it helped you guys out, give it an awesome thumbs up. If you guys want to follow me, because I go on so many amazing events here in California and possibly beyond, make sure right now you guys are subscribed. And now we are onward to the next fun adventure.